App single version upload contents. Open the setting, click the Wireless Local Area Network. You will see the Wi-Fi list. Select our device hotspot. This device is Z6H. The original password is 12345678. After connected, open the app. Refresh the device list in the single version. Click Continue button. As you can see, our device has been successfully connected. Click the device. We can see the file operation function. Here, you change the content. Click. Now you can see the list of all the displayed contents of this device. We can upload new content. Click on the top right corner to select the file. Then click on the album button. Choose a video from your cell phone. Click Done. It will automatically convert and upload, but iPhone needs you upload by sending from the local file. It's uploaded now. Turn back to the playlist. You can see the video just uploaded.